Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to see deleted WhatsApp messages or read or recover or restore your all deleted WhatsApp messages. When you accidentally delete or lose your WhatsApp messages, in this video you can easily see or read or recover or restore your all deleted WhatsApp messages or recover your WhatsApp chats. So let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to your Google Play Store. After that, choose and open Google Play Store. And in this here, write and search restore deleted messages. Restore deleted messages app. Please install this app. After install this app and then open it. And in this you can see chat, deleted chat. After that, media, photos and video. So first of all, you can choose and open media. You can see photo, video, audio, voices, document, sticker. And in this you can easily recover your deleted WhatsApp photo, recover your deleted WhatsApp video, recover your deleted WhatsApp audio, recover or restore your all deleted WhatsApp voices, or recover your deleted WhatsApp documents. After that, go back. After that, you can see chat, deleted chat. So in this you can choose and open deleted chat. In this here I can see my all deleted WhatsApp messages and chats recover or restore in this here. And in this I can easily see deleted WhatsApp messages. In this here I can see me and my friends delete WhatsApp messages or chats in this here. And in this way you can easily recover or restore your all deleted WhatsApp messages and chats, or see your deleted WhatsApp messages and chats. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.